We had this small space behind our shed, and it took us 3 days just to clean and level the surface. Next, we started laying pavers to frame the house. We used a spirit level with every single paver to make sure everything was perfectly even. Once the pavers were done, we found some timber panels on Facebook Marketplace. We even cut one to make a gate. Then we screwed all the panels together to build the frame. After that, it was time for the roof. I bought this waterproof sticker roll from Shein to cover it and keep the inside dry. And that's it. Our chicken and duck house is ready. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe for more.